Hi guys, you're watching Nata PTQ, especially for young innovative minds. So in today's video, we are going to discuss some model questions and also how to crack them. So, first question is, arrange the following based on the medium of painting. So I have already included a question like this in one of my previous videos asking you the medium of painting. So in that same video, I have guided you to go through some of the examples of oil painting, acrylic painting, crayons or pencil colors or uh, texture painting, etc. different mediums, and go through the examples. Then you will find out easier to crack these type of questions. That is, you will find what is the actual difference between using different mediums. So in this, the first figure is actually oil painting, and the second figure is acrylic, and the third figure is texture painting. So you will be having a unfamiliar word, that is tempera. So what is tempera? Tempera is a different painting in which we use egg membranes as the medium of paint. So that's with the first question. So the correct option is D. First one oil paint, second one acrylic, and third one texture painting. You will feel that texture in that. Now the second question is a memory based question. So check the figure for 6 seconds. Okay, now the first question is, how many of the students were raising their hands? Actually, if we see a figure like that, you will count all the kids in the room and will keep in mind. But they are asking how many were raising their hands. So we should have a closer look on the figure given as a memory based question. So in this figure, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Only 5 of the students are raising the hands, not all of them. This guy is not raising her hand, and this boy is also not raising his hand. Maybe they don't know the answer. Okay, anyway, 5 students are raising their hands, so the correct option is C. Now the next question is, could you see the mentor in the figure? Yes, we can see the mentor over here. Right here, she is standing, but we can't see her full image, but she is there. Okay, now the next figure is, the question is incomplete, but I will give you the question. The question asks us to find the number of squares as well as triangles in the given figure. So you should count down them and write it separately. I will discuss with you. Pause the video, count them. Now, number of squares: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 squares in the picture. And triangles, we can count the first of all we can count smaller triangles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21 is the larger triangle. So there are 21 triangles in this figure. Okay, so 21 triangles and 7 squares. You should practice on many number of these questions, because in the mock test they gave a question of counting squares in a given figure in part A. Now the next question is based on dice. Okay, which symbol will be lying on the face opposite to the face with symbol star? Okay, so in such questions we should see the common figure in the face. Okay, taking into consideration this and this, we have either this as a common figure or this as a common figure. So if we are taking at as the common figure and draw a clockwise line like this, after this at, first position is star and second position is this plus. Okay, now in this figure again rotate it clockwise. Now here the first figure, sorry, here starting with at, first figure is at star and second figure is plus. In this starting with at, first figure is plus and second figure is star. Here from star, okay, in these two figures the common thing is either plus or this and thing, rupee thing or dollar thing. So we can take that, rotate clockwise, first figure is this and second figure is plus. Here rotating clockwise, first figure is this and second figure is this. So take this and this. Position 1, in this position 1 is star and in this position 1 is plus. So they will be lying opposite to each other. That is the simple theory. Okay, so the thing opposite to the symbol star will be plus. Okay, that is D option. Now the next question is counting of surfaces. I will do like this. First of all, I will count the surface which is hidden from us. So that will be this surface, that means behind this whole surface that we can see, and there's a slanting like this, so there will be a different surface over there that will be like this, and there will be a slanting like this. So this will be considering as another surface. So 1, this whole is 1 and this is 2. 1 2, then 3 this surface behind, and 4 the surface under. Okay, 4 are there now. Now the other surfaces are 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 is this, the surface including these two edges. 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 and 23. So there are 23 surfaces in this figure. So I will say that you count first the hidden surfaces and then proceed with the surfaces we can see. Now the next question is missing, but I will complete that. This figure shows which type of illusion? First option is Bezold effect. Second is figure and ground illusion. Third is Hermann grid illusion. And fourth is none of this. So this is figure ground effect. Okay, we can't imagine which is the original figure the artist has to represent, either the two pair of human beings facing each other or the pillars. So that is figure and ground illusion. Now the next question is a memory based question. So carefully see this figure for 6 seconds. Okay, now with the questions. First question is, what was the color of the flowers placed in the gumboots? Okay, now the answer is yellow. We can see the figure again. Yeah. Now, how many gloves were included in the figure? Actually, in the figure, most of the things are related to gardening items, etc., flowers, etc. So we will not be observing the glove in the figure. So in memory based questions, within the time given, we should catch everything which is included in the figure. So here we can see the gloves, and how many are there? One on the top and the second under it. Okay, so there are two gloves in the figure. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share and comment.